Hello everyone. In this video, I am participating in the Red, White, and Boom Blue 4th of July Tablescape 2019, hosted by Diva Designing On with Kimberly Davis and her co-host, All Things Luxe by Robin. They have asked us to create a 4th of July tablescape. And today you will see the tablescape that I have created. And I will be leaving a link below to Diva Design on a Dime channel and also All Things Luxe by Robin's channel in the description box, and also a link to the playlist. So if you want to see what I have created, please keep watching. So this is my red, white, boom, blue 4th of July tablescape. And as you can see, it is definitely red, white, and blue. I'm going to give you a look around the table and let you see some of the few things that I have on here. And then I'm going to go over everything with you guys. So this tablescape that I created for the 4th of July is very simple. I am ready for the holiday to eat. So my daughter is coming here on the 4th, and I haven't seen her all year from California, and so I have did this tablescape for us to be ready to enjoy. As you can see, I have no silverware, I have no glassware, I barely have a napkin because we're going to be transforming this tablescape into paper goods. We will have paper plates, paper dinner forks, that's, plastic, and only thing we're going to do is remove the centerpiece and we are set to go. So we're going to enjoy ourselves on the 4th with her. So I'm going to go over the table. I'm going to start with this beautiful tablecloth that I purchased from Kohl's. I wanted a red, white, and blue tablecloth, a cloth one. I had a cloth one from Aldi's last year that I used for a round table outside, and I didn't have anything for the dining room. So I actually Googled a cloth, patriotic tablecloth. So Kohl's came up and it was on sale for $13.99, and then you got an extra 20 off. But I got this beautiful tablecloth for $10.99 from Kohl's. It has the stars on each side, has the red, white, and blue in the middle, and I just thought it was so pretty, and it's very nice quality. So we're going to start with the tablecloth, and then I'm going to go on to my centerpiece. And this was a flower pot that I'm going to be using quite often for different flower arrangements. And I just did a red, white, and blue centerpiece out of this flower pot. And I put some flags on each side. And all of this came from the Dollar Tree, except for the center little pick there came from Michael's when I did the lantern. And I just put some 2 hats over on the top of the flags, and I thought it came out really pretty. I got a little pick over here, I believe came from Michael's too, but I thought this was really pretty. I'm really proud of my centerpiece. And then over on each side of the centerpiece, I just placed a large platter on each side that I purchased from Food Line food store for $2.99, and on one side is going to be the ribs on one platter, the other side is going to be the hot dog, the sausages, and things like that. And so, and then when we move the centerpiece out, then we have other stuff inside there. In the place settings, I have a rectangle placemat. I had these placemats for a while. They navy blue. And on top of that, I have a round red placemat that I purchased from Dollar Tree. And then on top of that, I have my navy blue charger that I already had Purchased that early part in another Tablescape. And then I have a white Dollar Tree plate. And these here, those are bandanas that I made look like some napkins. And I covered a napkin ring, a Dollar Tree napkin ring with some Dollar Tree, if you could see it, with some Dollar Tree ribbon and some of the table scatters, and I just glued that onto the ribbon. So on each side of the plate setting, I fell in love with, you're going to see, because I didn't get a chance to get the video out when I purchased all of this, but I fell in love with these fans. So on each side of the plate settings, I have these fans. And I found one in Dollar Tree earlier, and I thought it was cute, and I didn't purchase but one. And then I came up, I said, oh, well, maybe I just put them, first I was going to put them as in the center of the plate. And then I said, no, I'm going to put them on each side. And I couldn't find no more. So I was on a hunt for 5 more. So you're going to see at the head of each table, I had to get a gold. You can see that. I had to get gold and blue fans. And all the place settings are alike. And they have the fans. Now I came up with this idea about these fans because when we're here in the dining room, I don't have a ceiling fan in here, and it gets pretty hot. And I had a like a large fan, and my son took that from me. And so sometimes I put in my pineapple fan in here. It gets a little hot, especially when we get around and start talking and chit-chatting after dinner. So I thought it'd be a nice idea that everybody will have a fan. And we did purchase some extra fans in different colors. And we're going to just have, when we get hot, we're just going to fan. And I thought it'd be really cute, and it'd be part of my place setting. So that is really the Tablescape. And like I said, we will be changing this into all paper goods. Well, not the charger, but I mean the plates. We're going to be using plates and, napkins and stuff like that, paper goods. So that is it. And I really like the way it came out. So colorful, so patriotic. And I just love my centerpiece. I thought it came out so pretty. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to be able to upload I have 2 videos, one on the centerpiece and one on a Dollar Tree haul when I purchased all of these items. So I wasn't able to upload it, but I'm going to try to get that uploaded and leave a link to how I did the centerpiece and just the items that I purchased. So that is my 4th of July red, white, and boom Tablescape. So at this time, I want to thank Kimberly from Diva Designing On a Dime, and Robin from All Things Luxe by Robin for hosting this great collaboration. Thank you both. And for those that have not pushed that subscribe button, you want to join the Deals with Lady P family, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you. And also, don't forget to hit that notification button that you be notified of all the videos that come out. I appreciate you all for watching. I want to thank you all. You all be blessed. See you all on the next video. Bye-bye.